are able to play a very dangerous game of hide and go seek.
Còn con gì gốt rồi.
Oh, look at that.
Now these dark brown antelopes, the sable antelopes,
Antelope.
are doing their best to blend in using their own brown body color amongst the small patches of grass.
What is it, Quinn?
But they're also forming formation around the little babies of the
All
group.
animal.
Now the adults have formed an alert circle, allowing them to face in different directions while some of them eat.
What animal?
Có đứa nào
Most importantly, they
Panther.
keep a very close eye on the little ones of the herd. Just along the dirt
Thảo
road,
chịu ăn này
to
không?
the right side of that tree, we have one of our adult sable antelopes. Beside
Bánh Thảo ăn
5
không?
of our little baby sable antelopes, currently tucked away amongst the grass. When it comes to hiding the babies of the group, the mom will leave them in a great hiding spot. And if she senses a predator is approaching or something threatening, she will run off into different directions and easily distract a predator and lure it away from her children.
Con này con gì? What animal? Cuối tuần what animal? What animal is it?
When it comes to our Patterson eland, our large light-tan antelope over on the driver's side,
That's the anther.
they are one of the largest African antelopes that are also a multi-biome species. Their body color allows them to blend in amongst different terrain and biomes, whether it's the deserts, savannas, high altitude mountains, and even throughout the forest. At the same time, they develop unique markings all over their bodies, even on their 2 front legs, which look like black lines. Those lines are a form of identification, allowing them to keep track of who amongst their group.
Yeah, look at the horn. Look at the antelope horn.
Not to mention those markings are at perfect eye level for the little babies of the group to also find their family. Notice how the Patterson eland have unique corkscrew horns. They will use those horns as a form of asserting their dominance. By locking onto each other, the dominant males of the herd will be able to have a little boxing match. And whoever wins gets to lead the entire herd across Africa.
Sắp tới con the big animal. Whoa, what is that?
Now the dark brown Cape buffalo, our entire
What is that?
herd, currently moving along the lower half of our field,
What animal?
are an animal that aren't capable of blending into
What
their
animal?
surroundings.
No,
Unfortunately, their own body color makes them stick out like a sore thumb. So
Buffalo.
instead of hiding, they'll form a little army of their own.
Oh, the
When it comes to
buffalo.
defending their entire group, they will simply mob or even stampede their way to freedom.
Buffalo.
Right now, they are hyper-focused
You like
on
buffalo?
the body language of a couple of our taller animals, the Maasai giraffes, animals that
Oh,
have
look at that.
natural height advantage. Standing anywhere from 18 all the way up to 20 feet tall, the giraffe